So in this video today, I'm going to show you how I've decorated 2 of my decor bowls. Come on with me, guys. Now I am loving the shape of this bowl and I have an idea. So what I've done is collected some of my candles and I've put it on a double broiler right here to melt. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this bowl. Now, after I melt these candles, you want to go in there and pull out the wick. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Seasonal Decor Bowl. And this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and May's Design Corner. Now, very carefully, you just want to shut everything off. Go ahead and grab your gloves and carefully pour this wax into the decor bowl. Now I'm going to be using only one of those candle wicks. So we're going to let this cool enough until I'm able to go ahead and place it in there. And then we'll just wait for it to fully solidify and you'll see how this looks. Now here we have my second decor bowl and it's a dough bowl and I absolutely love this bowl. So we don't want to really do anything that we can't undo. Usually you decorate with some seasonal balls and things like this, but I was using things that were around my house. So why not go ahead and use some florals and some greenery? Now the fun part about making an arrangement using the dough bowl is that you can grab any greenery that you would like to use. So I just went into my stash and I just grabbed some flowers. Of course, we had to add some white ones, and I do have some pale yellow ones. And then the greenery is endless, guys, because if it was up to me, it would just be white and greenery or just the greenery. But let's place this all together and you're going to see how beautiful this looks. Amazing. Now this is looking absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Now let's head on over to the reveal where I'm going to show you where I place these items. Because of the shape of the bowl, I decided it would look really nice here in my entryway. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Look at it. Now all we have to do is cut the excess wick off the top, light the candle so that you can see how beautiful this looks when it's lit. So what a great way to use one of these decor bowls, guys. And this was a thrifted item, so this cost me pennies. All right, so my doll arrangement bowl, I decided to place it here. This arrangement came absolutely gorgeous, and I'm trying to situate it in a way so I can add my candle, and to me it came out beautiful, and I hope you agree. Now here we are at the reveal, using amazing ideas that cost pennies in order to decorate my home. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.